Hi everyone, and welcome to the Droidy channel. In today's video, we'll be addressing a common issue, an Android phone getting stuck on the edge network. Given today's network landscape, most people's smartphones typically operate on 4G LTE or even 5G. These high-speed networks allow users to access information, stream videos, and handle work tasks smoothly and efficiently. I'm sure we've all grown accustomed to this era of fast connectivity. However, we've recently noticed discussions on various forums where users report a specific problem: their Android mobile data getting stuck on edge. When this occurs, it means your network performance will drop drastically, making it impossible to maintain a high-quality connection. If you encounter this issue, don't worry, it can usually be resolved using a few simple methods. Please watch this video patiently. The solutions presented here are applicable to a wide range of phone models, including Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. The reasons why an Android phone connects to edge can vary depending on your geographic location and current network environment. In such situations, your Android device may temporarily lose its network connection or experience significantly slower data speeds. Additionally, your mobile carrier plan may play a role. If you haven't subscribed to a plan that supports higher speed data, your Android phone's mobile data might indeed remain stuck on edge. To fix an Android phone stuck on the edge network, please try the following troubleshooting methods immediately. These methods are both simple and quick, so please go through them patiently, one by one. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, giving it a thumbs up, or leaving a comment to let us know which method worked for you. Let's get started. Method 1. Toggle airplane mode. If your Android phone displays edge instead of 4G, it may simply be due to a temporary network connection glitch. In this scenario, toggling airplane mode, turning it on and then off, can often resolve the issue. Simply enable airplane mode, using your device's standard method, for about 1 minute, and then turn it back off. Once disabled, try accessing the internet again to see if your network connection has returned to normal. Method 2. Restart your device. If toggling airplane mode doesn't work, the issue may stem from an improper network configuration. In this case, restarting your device can often fix the problem of Android mobile data being stuck on edge. Restarting your device also helps clear up minor software glitches and allows your Android system to run at its optimal performance level. Therefore, restarting your device is definitely worth a try. To restart your Android phone, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears on your screen. From the power menu, tap the restart icon to initiate the reboot process. Wait patiently for the device to finish restarting. Once it has powered back on, check your phone again to see if your network connection has been restored to normal. Method 3 involves checking your network mode settings. If you have accidentally misconfigured your network mode options, this can be a common source of mobile data connectivity issues. The network mode setting allows you to select your preferred network type, such as 5G, LTE, 3G, or 2G. If your Android device is set to 2G only and you have selected that specific option, your phone will be restricted to operating solely on the 2G network. To check your network mode, open your phone's Settings app, select Connections, and then tap on Mobile Networks within the Connections menu. Finally, select Network Mode to see if your device is currently set to the 2G only option. If it is, please select a different network type. Method 4 involves resetting your network settings. Android devices automatically save information regarding the Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth devices you connect to, making it easier for you to reconnect in the future. This method can be used to attempt to resolve a wide range of network-related issues, including the problem where your phone keeps switching to an edge signal. Therefore, please try resetting your network settings on your Android phone. To reset your network settings, follow these steps. 1. Tap Settings on your home screen. 2. Swipe up on the screen to find and tap General Management. 3. Find and tap Reset. 4. Within the menu, locate and select Reset Network Settings. 5. Select the specific SIM card you wish to reset, and then tap Reset Settings, or Restore Defaults, to confirm. Once completed, your Android device's network configurations will be reset. After the reset process finishes, the issue of having no mobile data or your Android phone stuck on edge should be resolved. Method 5 involves seeking professional assistance. If you continue to encounter situations where your Android mobile device remains stuck on an edge-only connection, the issue may be beyond what you can resolve on your own. In this case, we recommend contacting your mobile carrier or the customer service center for your Android device's brand. Their technical support staff can help you troubleshoot the problem and resolve the issue of your mobile data connection constantly being stuck on EDGE. That wraps up today's video. If you found this video helpful and appreciate the work we've done, please give us a like, share this video, and let us know in the comments section which specific method helped you resolve your issue. Additionally, if you feel there are areas where we could improve, please feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section as well. Thank you for watching, and good luck!